Subscribe to Let's Share Solutions and press the bell icon for daily study tips, career advice and personality development videos with me, Ashwani Thakur. Hi YouTube family. In this video, we will talk about meditation. Meditation is for everyone, irrespective of your age, sex, religion, profession. Some people think meditation is only for those who are old or who belong to a certain religion. That's not true. Meditation is for everyone. It's as natural as breathing. Now, what is meditation? Meditation is a state. It is not a process that you do, but an experience that happens to you. So as I am a filmmaker, let me give you a simple, easy to understand example related to a camera. So this is a camera and we have the lens cap here. So this camera, if there is a lens cap on it, I cannot see through it. It is impossible to see through it. And if I remove this lens cap and there is dust on the screen, on this glass, then also I will not be able to see clearly. So if there is lens cap or if there is dust on the glass, does that mean this camera cannot see? Yes, it cannot see, but it has the ability to see. That is inbuilt in it. That is its core nature, that it takes photographs, take videos. In the same way, meditation is also our inner quality. It is not something that we acquire from outside. It is our inner quality. It's just that there is a lens cap. There is dust around us. Dust that who we are. There is some misunderstanding. And because of that, we do not get into that state of meditation. Let's talk a little bit about that in this video. And as I said, meditation is an experience. So you can only understand it through experience. It has no side effects. It is only beneficial and it is the most natural thing. So when you experience it, then you will understand the power of meditation and the joy of meditation. So I'll tell you in this video how to begin meditation. I'll make a video with an in-depth meditation exercise in future. But in this video, I'll give you quick tips and a quick way how to start meditation. You don't have to do a big course for it. You don't have to join some organization to it. If you have a camera, you don't need a course to know how to open the lens cap. Or you don't need a course how to clean the glass of the camera. It is there. You can do it. In the same way, meditation is a natural thing. You don't need to do big courses for that. You can do it easily because it's a very natural thing. Unfortunately, the process is complicated because we have too many lens caps on our lens. There is too much dust. So it is difficult to remove that. And that is the reason the process of meditation has become so difficult. I'll tell you a simple way right here, right now, whatever that you're doing, you can do meditation and experience this without any effort. I would like you to close your eyes. Now, if you're in an office or you don't want to close your eyes, it's okay. But closing the eyes is good because you don't get distracted from the things that are happening around you. Because when your eyes are open, when you look at things, you react to things. And because of that reaction, thoughts come in. So when you look at me, you may look at my hair, my clothes, or anything. So you react to that. You may see some video over there. You may react to that video. So, and the thoughts will come. So when you close your eyes, you remove that obstacle that is affecting you, that is giving you thoughts, at least from the outside world. From the inner world, there are still thoughts that will come. But at least when you close your eyes, you will remove the obstacles from the outside world. So I recommend that you close your eyes. And after closing your eyes, now for a moment, remove the lens caps, remove the dust from your mind. Now what is that? Remove the thought that you are this mind, this body, and all the titles that you have done engineering, or you are a doctor, or your name is this. Just remove all these titles from you. Just for a moment, do not relate yourself to this body. Now understand that this body is yours. This mind is yours. These hands are yours. The titles that you have accomplished, the education that you have done, they are all yours, but that's not you. You have a body, but you are not the body. It is your hand. We say it's my hand. We never say this hand is me. In the same way, everything that you relate to yourself to, just unrelate them. It's very easy to do. Just unrelate yourself with any external thing, that I'm not this body, I'm not this mind. This mind belongs to me, this body belongs to me, but I am not this body, I am not this mind. For a moment, just do not relate yourself with anything. Be away from it. If a thought comes in your mind, don't try to stop the thought. Just understand this reality that you are not this thought. The thought is coming in your mind, but you are not the thought. Look at the thought. Watch your thought. Do not get involved in the thought. And if you get any thought, you can simply say neti neti. Neti neti is a Sanskrit word. It means neither this nor that. So whatever that is coming in your mind, just tell yourself that this is false. This is not the truth. What is the truth? I don't know. But this is not the truth. Who am I? I don't know. But I do know that I am not this body. I am not this mind. I am not the titles that I have. I am not these emotions. So what you are doing is you are separating yourself from the mind, the body, the thoughts that you're thinking, and the emotions which come up in your mind. The anger, the joy, the love, any kind of emotion. You are separating yourself from the emotions, from the thoughts, from your body, from your mind, and you understand all these things belong to you, but they are not you. Meditation is this only, that you separate yourself from the lens cap. You are now the camera. Now you understand that you are not the lens cap. Till now you were thinking you are the lens cap. You are the dust on the glass of the camera. Now you know you are not that dust. That dust is not you. You are behind that. Who are you? That you can only experience. There is no word for that. There is no definition for that. And that's how, in human terms, we can define meditation. That's the definition of meditation for you. I'll make some more videos on how to meditate. This video, I'm sure it will help you. I'm sure when you do this, this will help you to meditate. But I'll make some specific videos on how to meditate, and we'll do meditation online. But I would like to know, how was your experience from this little video? Were you able to feel the clarity? And if yes, just share with me in the comments. You know, even if for 1 second you felt that clarity and you felt that detachment from your thoughts, from your emotions, from your body, if even for 1 second you were away from that, that was an experience of meditation for you. I wish you all the best. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it helped you. With every video I produce, my goal is to increase the level of your happiness, health, and wealth. If you liked the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my Hindi channel and business channel.